What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are actually gonna get a new car for Gus. Gus is actually trading his 240, if you guys seen the last videos. And yeah, he's not giving up, but he got offered a very good deal on this trade, so but this is how it looks right now. And right now we are actually waiting for our homie Ivan to get off work so we can borrow the trailer and the truck. So yeah, and I'm at Gus's right now. We're probably gonna head to Dallas's and we're probably gonna wait for Ivan there. But yeah, you guys haven't seen Gus's car in the last videos. This is how it looks now. It looks way better than before. Everything's gutted, cleaned out. And if you guys don't know the story, probably like a few months back, his coupe got stolen, and this is how it came back. Actually, it came back worse, but it was super nice. At the time, it was actually wrapped all black, and they took off all the wrap too, because fuck thieves. But anyways, here's two new and better things for Gus. Shout out to Ivan. Gang shit. We just picked it up, his trailer and his truck, the yard. Say goodbye to the 240. But crack a cold one with the fams.
Hey, can't we just... Alright, stop! Alright, stop!
This!
Alright, other way. Yeah. It's gonna fall off.
Got it.
Daniel, hold it back.
Hey, just keep the wheel. Got it.
Straighten the wheel.
Push. Push.
Yeah.
Go, go, go fast.
Wait.
Hey, we gotta push hard right now. Hold on. Yeah.
Ready?
Forward.
Watch out, Hoffman.
We're on.
We're on.
Get it back just a little. Get it off. Alright, you're good.
Alright, now hold the car so I can back up.
Push it up.
What you mean back up? Get up the ramp.
Yeah, hold on.
Move up.
With the ramps.
Josh, move the ramp.
Oh wait, let me put this jar.
Oh, we're holding up the traffic over there.
You're all good, we're good. I got this wood right here too. Alright, we're good.
Alright, we're good. Jesus, that was sketch. So the car is all loaded up, and hopefully the dude trades us. He is actually one of our homies. His name is Steven. But yeah, last look. What do you gotta say, boy?
Nothing. No, I'm just kidding. Good choice.
Yeah, very good choice. And hopefully he goes down with the trade, and hopefully Gus gets a new car and starts something new. Well, guys, we just got to Steven's house. It's actually pouring like crazy, and it's really dark, so I can't really show you guys much, but we are trading his 240 for this Cressida. Steven's Cressida. Super clean. But I'll probably try to get more footage during the day. And yeah, we're unloading the 240 right now. But this is all you guys can see for now. But yeah. It's fucking pouring. Camera's wet. We just got off.
Yeah, dude, your bill got wet.
Really? Dude, it's pouring right now. We just got the 40 off. So we're putting the Cressy up.
Gus, you're spotting me food.
Huh?
You're gonna spot me food.
Damn, that thing is clean, boy. Let's get it.
You don't have the tire though?
No, I do.
Oh.
All the lines and everything too.
Not really, it's soaked through already.
Yeah.
Nah, it's already on.
Yeah, it's on. Oh, it's on too much on this side.
Yeah, we need
We need to back up it. Yeah, you need to scoot it over to the right.
Wait, what?
You need to move it over to the right more. It's too much over here.
Wait, what?
It's too much on the right side. I'm inside the car because I had to steer it. But this thing looks clean, boy. I love the Cressidas. Super clean. OEM interior. But yeah, I'll get you guys a better view in the morning or during the day when we unload it or something. But hell yeah. Pulled up at a gas station, finally back home, but dude, check this thing out. And like, this paint is amazing for 87. Check that out.
Imagine taking this.
And look at them wheels though, brother. US.
Look, he hit the trailer.
For real? Hey, this thing is clean though, dude. Where the motor at though? Where the motor at though? Hey, let's peep the motor, brother. Ain't nothing there.
Sick ass steering wheel.
Same side, the same steering wheel I gave that to.
Damn, lit. But anyways, yeah, that is what we got. And dude, check these out. Fucking mirrors on the fenders, brother. On the gang. Guys, just got back home. So that'll probably be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. At least Gus got a new car that's like actually in one whole piece, other than his 240, and it kind of like brings him down looking at it every time because he got stolen. Anyways guys, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back with another video. Deuces.